everyone, and welcome to my channel. This is Perlin again for you, and today I have a quick video for you guys where I'm going to show you one of my do-it-yourself hairspray. I've been testing it in my hair and it's working so well, and I want to share this recipe with you guys, hoping that it's going to be, it's going to work for your hair as well. It will help with the hair growth and also the hair thickening. So if that's something that you think you are interested in, just keep watching. I'm going to show you the recipe and then I will show you how I apply it on my hair. I usually do it once a day. So I do it and then I put my hair growth oil on it. So, it's been a week or two that I've been testing it and I really like it. So I think it's going to be a game changer for you guys as well. So without any further ado, I'll let you watch the tutorial, and please don't forget to subscribe. And thank you to all my subscribers that are still there. The new subscriber, thank you so much for your support. Have a great day. So guys, those are the 4 ingredients that are going to be used in our recipe today. We're going to have MSM powder, which is the game changer in this recipe. MSM powder is really good for hair growth. This is not its main job, but it helps with hair growth. It can be taken orally, or you can put it in one of your recipes and it will help grow your hair and thicken your hair. So we're going to use MSM and vitamin C powder, which is supposed to be used with the MSM, but you can do the MSM without it as well. So it's up to you. Now, for the second and third ingredients, we have fenugreek seed and black seeds. So that's it for the ingredients for today. Then I just warmed some water in my microwave. Is just warming up. You don't have to do anything else. You just warm up the water. This is my choice. You can do something else. You can either use tap water, but I just decided to use hot water, warm water, so that I can use my spray faster. So now that I have my water ready, we are ready to put everything together. So I'm going to start by putting the fenugreek seeds in the container, and basically you just need to add the fenugreek so that it can cover the bottom of our mason jar, just like that. I'm going to show you the inside, but I'll try to show you what I'm talking about right now. Yes, it just covers the bottom of the recipient right now. And then I'm going to add 3 to 4 teaspoons of black seeds. Black seed is super good for the hair as well. So I'm just going to use 2 to 3 teaspoons of black seed. Let me tell you, this thing is going to stink because fenugreek stinks. So if you cannot take the smell of the fenugreek, you have to add something else. So now I'm adding the water. I usually do small batches, so that's why I'm not using the whole thing. I'm just using a little bit of water. So it's up to you. So now that I added the water, the next step will be adding the other 2 ingredients to the mix. So vitamin C and MSM in this case. So I'm putting the vitamin C right now, just 1 teaspoon. You can even do half a teaspoon, but I'm just putting 1 teaspoon of vitamin C. And then for the MSM, you have to use it gradually, increasing the dose. So since last week I used 1/8 of of a cup or of a spoon. I don't even know. 1/8. So this week I'm trying to put more. So I'm putting 3 small scoops as you are seeing right now. But since if it's your first time, use just one, because on my first one I just used one. But since it's my second time doing it, I'm trying to increase the dosage just a little bit. So I put 3 right now. And that's about it. You finish putting all the ingredients together, and you're going to cover your container, and then you shake it a little bit so that everything can be mixed together. All the ingredients will be mixed together, and then all you do is you're going to put it aside so that it can sit for 6 hours. Since I used warm water, if it was just tap water, you are going to use to let it sit for 24 hours before using the spray. You can use it as a spray, or you can just put it in an applicator bottle and just apply it to your hair. And that's all it is for this recipe. This is going to help in your hair growth, and I guarantee you. So this is right now, this is the next day. So I let it sit for longer, and as you can see, the color changed. That's how you know that everything was transferred in the water. All the ingredients are there. It's that beautiful golden color. And I have a applicator bottle from the Dollar Tree. I bought it at the Dollar Tree for two for $1. And then, you know, just something to strain, and that's it. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Make sure you have both. You strain it and it goes straight into the container. Multitasking, right? I'm just multitasking right now. Oh, that color though. That color is so beautiful. But the smell, let me tell you, if you cannot take the smell, sorry. I'm so sorry. But yeah, it smells like fenugreek and black seeds together, you know. Yeah, but I think I'm getting used to the smell. As you can see, as I said prior, if you really can't stand the smell, just put your favorite essential oil, and then that's it. So that's the mix. That's the quantity that I have. This one will last me 1 to 2 weeks. And if I feel like it smells too strong, it might be bad. So now this is me. I'm showing you how I apply it on my hair. At this point, seriously, my hair is kind of dry, and it's kind of there's shrinkage, because as you know, there's water in that. So the water makes my hair shrink. So as I said, this thing smells so bad. That's what I'm talking about right now. It smells bad. So the only thing I'm doing right now is I'm going to apply it to my scalp first. You apply it to the scalp, you apply it to the scalp, you apply it to the scalp. Why? Because the new growth, that's what you are targeting right now. When your hair is going to grow, it's going to grow stronger and thicker. That's why I put it first on my scalp, and then I'm going to apply it to the length of my hair later. And as I apply it, I massage it to my hair, as you can see. I'm just doing it right now. This is so boring. I think that's why I'm just looking all over the place. But yeah, that's what I do. I just apply the the mixture on my scalp and massage, massage, and massage. That's it. And this recipe is good because you have fenugreek. Fenugreek is packed with a lot of vitamins, and it helps with your hair so that it will not shed too much. And the black seed is also very good. It's full of iron, so the iron is going to strengthen your hair as well, on top of the MSM, which is a sulfur, which is really good for your hair. That kind of sulfur is also found in onion, and that's the reason why onion juice is really good for your hair. As we all know, onion juice is the bomb, and it's the same thing for the MSM. So yeah, the vitamin C is just something else that you just add. And my hair in my crown, I told you I lost some hair in my crown, but I didn't want to cut my whole hair, so my hair is growing. It's really growing. It has grown, it's growing, and it's thick as it's growing. So yeah, I'm being very patient with my hair, trying to just work toward getting my hair to be very, very healthy. And that's my goal right now, just making my hair healthier. Okay, so let me just stop talking. I'll let you enjoy the rest of the video as I apply the product on my scalp and on the length of my hair. And when I'm done with applying this, as you can see, I have the oil that I have right now in that bottle. I'm going to show you also the recipe for this. This is a really potent oil for hair growth. I've put so many amazing ingredients in that oil as well. So together with that mixture, I can assure you your hair will grow and grow and grow and grow and grow. Okay. Okay, so that's it for today. And if you do that every day for the first week, and then, I usually use it when my hair is dry. My hair is dry because I didn't put any cream yesterday, I just put the oil. So my hair got dry very quick and very easily because there was no cream to keep the moisture in my hair. So usually when I put the cream, I can do it every 2 to 3 days because my hair is still moisturized and I don't need to add anything, right? And you know that we have to leave our hair alone. You're not supposed to be touching your hair too much. So when I'm done with that like this, I'll just cover my hair, put my wig back on my head, and that's it. So if you try it, just leave me a comment down below to tell me how it works for you. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time with another video. Have a great day. Bye.